Hi, hello, this is Purna and you are watching Pharma Wiki YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss a wonderful topic. It's about D.Pharmacy. It's all about D.Pharmacy right from the course admission process, eligibility entrance tests, and along with the subjects you study in the D.Pharmacy, and also choosing a career after D.Pharmacy, and everything you need to know about the diploma in pharmacy will be covered today. So if you are watching for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel so that you can access more wonderful videos on our channel about pharmacy. Let's go into the topic. D.Pharmacy course admission process. First we'll discuss about the admission process. Okay, you have to know before the admission process what you can be wondering what to do and what is a D.Pharmacy. D.Pharmacy is nothing but a diploma in pharmacy. It is pursued by students in the medical field of pharmacy, and one is eligible to opt for this education course after successfully completing 12th standard in science stream with physics, chemistry, along with biology or maths as subjects. The successful completion of this course allows one to employed as a registered pharmacist in pharmacy, retail or wholesale businesses. It is mandatory to have at least one qualified D.Pharm person employed in pharmacy is a must. Hence, a student go for undergraduate degree like B Pharmacy or D Pharmacy to work as a pharmacist in India. Okay. Before that, let's go to the then admission process. Okay. After you do your secondary study, that is higher secondary +1 and +2, with successful completion of 10 +2 board exams, you can find qualified for writing test for the D.Pharmacy examination. Various boards will conduct tests after your 12th for this course. Okay, you can just opt D.Pharm program as your choice of study. Okay, there will be private institutions and along with the government institutions which are all regulated by PCI, which means Pharmacy Council of India. And this Pharmacy Council of India have their own admission procedures. According to them, you need to have a formal application process, and direct admissions can also be possible. You need to go and inquire in the respective colleges. Okay, then let's discuss what are you going to study in D.Pharmacy. Okay, it is a 2 years course. Yes, first year and second year there'll be a whole of 4 semester. First 1-2 semesters and 3-4 semesters in the second year. Then one should will complete the academic year within 180 working days with 500 hours of practical training in 3 months. Candidates should be at least 17 years of age while securing admission. Okay, and then you will, in the first year of pharmacy, you will be studying pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmacognosy, biochemistry and clinical pathology, human anatomy and physiology, health education and community pharmacy as your subjects. It will be around 6 subjects and 75 hours per year and 3 hours per week, along with 100 hours of practical sessions for the whole year. And the second year of D.Pharmacy will have pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical chemistry, and again pharmacology, biochemistry and clinical pathology, anatomy and physiology, health education and community pharmacy in the second year also. Okay, then in the first year you'll study the introduction to different dosage forms, metrology, packaging of pharmaceuticals, and size separation, mixing, clarification, filtration, extraction, distillation, sterilization, aseptic techniques, and drying process, and study of immunological products in the pharmaceutics. And in the pharmaceutical chemistry, you will be dealing with the acids, bases, buffers, antioxidants, gastrointestinal agents, topical agent, inorganic official compounds, radioactive pharmaceuticals, and quality control of drugs and these things. While in pharmacognosy, you will have the history and scope of the cognosy, along with the classification of drugs and natural origins, adulterations, and drug evaluations, and brief outline of alkaloids, terpenoids, glycosides, volatile oils, tannins, and resins. In biochemistry and clinical pathology, you will be dealing with carbohydrates, lipids, vitamins, and enzymes, and also therapeutics and the role in this their ailments also will be studied. In human anatomy and physiology subject, you need to learn about elementary tissues, skeletal systems, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, and all the muscular systems, nervous systems, and everything. In the last subject, health education and community pharmacy, you will be learning about the concepts of health, nutrition, and environmental and health fundamentals, principles of microbiology, and communicable diseases, respiratory infections, intestinal infections, and non-communicable diseases, and epidemiology. These are all the things you will be studying in your whole first year of D Pharmacy, and then while going to the second year you will be having the extension parts of the first year, like pharmaceutics too. This will be also 75 hours of theory and 100 hours of practical, but this is an advanced level from the first year. And then pharmaceutical chemistry too, and instead of anatomy and physiology, you will be stepping into pharmacology and toxicology. Then you will be studying pharmaceutical jurisprudence, drugstore and business management, along with the hospital and clinical pharmacy. These are the 6 subjects you will be studying in the second year of your D.Pharmacy. Let's know what you will be studying in this year. In pharmaceutics, you will be learning all about the prescriptions, incompatibilities in prescriptions, posology, dispensed medications, powders, liquids, oral dosage forms, and liquid dosage forms, emulsions, and many sterile dosage forms, parenteral dosage forms, anything, other products. Okay. And in pharmaceutical chemistry, you will be dealing with the chemistry of pharmaceutical organic products like antiseptic, disinfectants, anti-leprotics, anti-tubercular medicines, and anti-amoebic, antifungal agents, antidepressants, cardiovascular drugs, all about this chemical structures of these compounds, and along with the nomenclature of chemical systems, everything you will be learning in this pharmaceutical chemistry in the second year. In pharmacology and toxicology, as a long part of the anatomy, it is continued as pharmacology, which is the basic important subject of whole pharmacy. That is, in this pharmacology and toxicology, you'll be learning the basics of pharmacology, routes of administration, general mechanism of drug actions, drug acting on different systems, nervous systems, respiratory systems, like that, autocoids, cardiovascular drugs affecting renal functions, and hormones and antagonists, drug acting on digestive systems, disinfectants, antiseptics, everything you'll be covered in this pharmacology. And in pharmaceutical jurisprudence, this is all about the legislations in India, principles, signification of professional ethics, and all about the Pharmacy Acts, Cosmetic Act, the Drug and Magic Remedies Acts, Narcotic and Psychotropic Substances Act. It's all about these legislations in India. And in drugstore and business management subject, uh, you will be studying the commerce, introduction, and drug house management, sales, recruitment, training, banking, finance, and in the part two of this subject, you will be dealing with the accounting concepts and conventions. And the last important but also important subject is the hospital and clinical pharmacy. Hospital pharmacy, you'll be studying drug distribution systems in hospitals, manufacturing, sterile manufacture, and in clinical pharmacy you'll be introducing to the clinical pharmacy practice along with the modern dispensing aspects, common daily terminologies in practice of medicine, diseases, and drug interactions, adverse drug reactions. These are all will be covered in the hospital clinical pharmacy. Till then, we have discussed what all you will study in the second year also. So we have just completed first year and second year syllabuses. So now let's think about the scope of diploma in pharmacy in India. Let's talk about it. Yes, in the employment areas of pharmacy, it will take up a good role in health centers and hospitals, chemist shops, drug control administrations, pharmaceutical firms, sales and marketing department, research agencies, food and drug administration. You can have different sectors to work with. Okay. And also let's see, you can choose from a private sector careers or a government sector careers in this. Let me just give you a brief about what are the variety of pharmacy jobs you can do with this degree, that like technical supervisors, medical transcriptionists, pharmacist, quality analyst, scientists, scientific officers, to production executives. These are all the jobs you can go after your D.Pharmacy. And let me tell you, there'll be next level courses you can do after you finish your D.Pharmacy, diploma in pharmacy. After that, you can go for a bachelor of pharmacy or pharmacy in pharmacology, bachelor of Ayurvedic pharmacy. Whatever you can go this. And one can go for diploma in manufacturing, production, or doctor of pharmacy. Okay. Like a PharmD you can go from this, or a B pharmacy you can go, and after that you can go for M pharmacy with your specific fields. So like pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacy practice, cardiovascular pharmacy, anything differently you can choose from it. Okay. Next, let's discuss the government sector jobs. Yes, there will be government sector jobs. You can go and apply for Indian Drugs and Pharmaceuticals Limited, or Projects and Development India Limited, Rajasthan Drugs and Pharmaceutical Limited, Hindustan Antibiotics Limited, and Bharat Immunological and Biological Corporation Limited. And different states has different their own pharmaceuticals government companies, so you can search for the vacancies and apply for these jobs. And along with, you have private sector jobs like exact pharmacists in any retail or wholesale pharmacies, and along with a hospital pharmacy you can go work there. And medical transcriptionist is another option. Medical representatives are also as a good option. And if you want to go into the industry sector, you can be a scientific officer or production executive or a quality analyst, like that. So these whole lot of opportunities are there for your after D pharmacy, and you have to brightly choose about your career with your interest keeping in your mind. Okay, choose wisely what you want to do after your D pharmacy. Okay, this is all about D pharmacy, and I hope you like this video. If you really like, please just hit the like icon so that I will be knowing that you really got help from this. And if you have any doubts, you can just comment us below. We will definitely answer you with good appropriate answers. And if you are first time to visit our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.